Ever get the feeling someone's watching you, listening to your conversations, or tracking everywhere you go? The scary part is that it's not just paranoia anymore. The technology to do it is sitting on Amazon, just one click away. Today, I'm breaking down 20 illegal gadgets you can actually buy right now that feel like they belong on the dark web. We're starting with the hardware keylogger. You plug this tiny device between your keyboard and computer, and it silently records every single keystroke, passwords, messages, credit card numbers, and the works. No software, no alerts, nothing. It's smaller than your thumb and looks like a normal adapter. You think you're safe typing on your own laptop? Think again. Roommates, co-workers, or that tech guy who fixed your computer could have one of these running right now. Scary how invisible it is, but recording what you type is one thing. What if someone just wanted to knock your entire connection offline instead? That's where things get even messier. The Wi-Fi Dother Watch. This thing looks like a regular smartwatch, but it can send deauthentication packets that kick every phone, laptop, and tablet off nearby Wi-Fi networks. Imagine sitting in a coffee shop, and suddenly everyone's internet dies except yours. Network admins use it for testing. Normal people, well, let's just say it's perfect for petty revenge or causing maximum annoyance. USB Rubber Ducky. The computer thinks it's just a keyboard, so no warnings pop up. Penetration testers use it to show how dangerous an unattended laptop is. I've started triple-checking my screen lock after learning about this one. Never leave your computer alone, even for a coffee run. So lock your laptop when you walk away. The magnetic GPS tracker is disturbingly accessible. Fleet managers use it legitimately. Worried parents use it for new drivers. But we all know the darker version. Modern stalking has never been more convenient or harder to detect. And apparently, knowing where you go isn't enough. The next gadget targets something you probably carry everywhere. Your wallet. The RFID skimming device makes contactless theft effortless. Imagine someone brushing past you in a crowded airport while your wallet never even leaves your pocket. These tools can read cards through leather. It's the reason RFID blocking wallets exist. But the fact that skimmers are this easy to get is wild. The thermal imaging phone attachment turns your phone into a heat-seeking device. See body heat through walls, detect if someone's home, or track warm objects in darkness. Used to cost thousands. Now it's affordable and fits in your pocket. Home inspectors use it. Search and rescue teams use it. But it also means you can tell exactly which rooms are occupied without ever knocking. The HackRF one. Software-defined radio can transmit and receive a massive range of signals. Garage doors, car key fobs, wireless doorbells, baby monitors, basically anything wireless. Security researchers use it to test vulnerabilities. After learning how much information is floating through the air, you might suddenly feel like checking your hotel room twice. Good news, there's a gadget for that too, the anti-spy detector pen. Point it around a room, and it scans for hidden cameras and listening devices. Hotel rooms, Airbnbs, changing rooms, anywhere you suspect something's off, this pen can find it. Privacy feels like a luxury these days, and this tool helps you fight for it back. The pen is discreet and convenient, but if your paranoia has officially reached detective level, you're going to want something more serious. The professional bug/spy detector finds GPS trackers, wireless bugs, and hidden cameras. Ever get that uneasy feeling someone might be watching or listening when they shouldn't be? This detector is designed to help you sweep your car, office, hotel room, or home for suspicious electronic devices like hidden cameras or unauthorized transmitters. It's the kind of tool security professionals and private investigators may use as part of broader inspections, but compact consumer versions have made the technology much more accessible. Whether you're traveling frequently, working with sensitive information, or just value your privacy, it offers an extra layer of reassurance. The fact that gadgets like this even exist is both comforting and a little unsettling. But if it helps you verify that your space is private, many people consider that peace of mind well worth it. So now you've checked the room for hidden devices. Great. But what about the sensitive files you're carrying with you? The encrypted self-destruct drive features a built-in physical keypad, so your files stay locked behind a pin instead of relying on software passwords. Enter the correct code and you're in. But keep guessing the wrong pin too many times, and many models automatically wipe the stored data to stop unauthorized access. That means even if someone steals the drive, getting into your files isn't nearly as easy as plugging it into a computer. It's a simple idea, but an incredibly effective layer of security for anyone carrying sensitive documents, business files, or personal information who has a physical keypad. Wrong pin too many times and it wipes itself. Simple but effective. It's the kind of gadget you hope you'll never actually need, but you'll be glad it's on your keychain the day you do. Your files are locked down, and your USB drive can practically defend itself. But the moment you plug your phone into a random airport charger, there's another problem. The USB data blocker stops juice jacking. Plug into public USB ports without worrying about someone siphoning off your data. Whether you're charging your phone at an airport, hotel lobby, rental car, or cafe, this tiny USB data blocker physically prevents data transfer while still allowing power to flow. That means no unexpected file access, malware, or unauthorized connections, just charging. It's one of those inexpensive gadgets you barely think about until the day it saves you from a major headache. Small enough to keep on your keychain, but it delivers a surprising amount of peace of mind whenever you're away from home. Now your phone can charge safely. Unfortunately, the charger sitting beside it might be hiding something completely different. The pinhole camera in everyday objects takes miniaturization to another level. These tiny cameras are built into items that blend naturally into everyday environments, such as clocks, charging docks, or smoke detectors, making them incredibly discreet. They're often discussed for legitimate uses like monitoring property or keeping an eye on valuables where permitted by law. But because they can be difficult to notice, it's important to use them responsibly and always respect local laws and other people's privacy. Apparently, that's becoming a theme because the next gadget gives an ordinary laptop a ridiculous wireless reach, the high-power Wi-Fi antenna. Connects to networks from crazy distances and supports packet injection. But why sit behind a laptop trying to reach farther when you can literally send a camera into the air? The mini drone with night vision is straight out of a spy movie. Quiet, camera-equipped, and controllable from your phone. Indoor or outdoor surveillance on demand. The fact that these are consumer-grade now is wild. After drones and hidden cameras, this next gadget feels almost laughably low-tech. And that's exactly why it's clever. The Invisible Ink UV pen writes your name, serial numbers, or discrete identification marks on valuable belongings, and they'll remain virtually invisible until illuminated with a UV flashlight. It's commonly used for labeling personal property, helping identify recovered items, or leaving hidden notes that only someone with the right light can read. Whether you're marking electronics, tools, collectibles, or other valuables, it's a simple, low-tech solution that can make identifying your property much easier. Invisible markings can protect your belongings after they're lost. But what about protecting your computer before someone gets access in the first place? That's where the Bluetooth proximity lock comes in. It automatically locks your computer when your phone walks away. No more forgetting to lock your screen. Simple automation that prevents opportunistic access. Automatically locking one device is smart. But what if someone wanted every nearby device to lose its connection? That's where things get legally messy. The high-gain signal. Jammer blocks cell, GPS, or Wi-Fi signals in a small area. Legality is very questionable depending on where you are, but the capability exists, and it's available. So we've blocked wandering eyes and covered the webcam. But this next gadget doesn't need ordinary visible light to see anything. The thermal scope attachment turns up your phone into a powerful thermal imaging tool. These compact thermal cameras detect heat instead of visible light, revealing temperature differences that your eyes can't see. They're incredibly useful for finding heat leaks around the house, inspecting electrical systems, locating plumbing issues, monitoring wildlife, and assisting with search and rescue operations in low-visibility conditions. Seeing into dark spaces is impressive, but what if the place you need to inspect is somewhere you physically can't reach? That's where our final gadget rolls in, the autonomous mini surveillance robot. Imagine being able to see around corners or inspect places you simply can't reach yourself. These small wheeled or crawling robots are controlled remotely, letting you navigate under furniture, through tight spaces, or into hard-to-access areas while viewing a live video feed. They're often used for inspections, search tasks, robotics projects, and exploring confined spaces without putting yourself at risk. Despite fitting in the palm of your hand, they pack impressive mobility and camera technology. It feels like something straight out of a sci-fi movie, proving that some of the most advanced gadgets today are also some of the smallest. Some were designed for legitimate security work. Others blur the line between useful and downright unsettling. Either way, they prove just how fast technology is changing and how important it is to understand what these gadgets are capable of. Technology doesn't care how you use it. Which one shocked you the most? Drop it in the comments. I read every single one.